Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at CADJPY for this week. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button before you leave. Click on that subscribe button. You can also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So this CADJPY, I am biased to the upside. So I am watching out for a bullish move. So if you have to take a look at the weekly time frame, you see that there's kind of like a massive drop and probably a correction, or we can say when you take a look at the food trend, you can start this is an uptrend move, right? So this is kind of like a good amount of drop that has actually played out here. So for the weekly aspect of it, we are expecting further bullish move. So probably I'm expecting that movement to around 102, 101. Currently, we are trading about 100 on CAD So this week, I expect CAD to actually hit a level of 101 or 102. At least we should be able to tap this 10 20 period simple moving average. We see we've broken above the 10 period. We are expected to hit the 20 period and possibly break above it. So down to the daily time frame. So if you take a look at some levels here, which we should watch out for, this is at a level of 102, if I'm not wrong. This is a level of 102, like I previously said on the weekly time frame. I am expecting this CAD to go bullish, so I will be expecting it in the long run to hit a level of 102. But before we actually hit a level of 102, let us also take out this level, because we need to watch out for this level, which is a level of 101.100. So let's say a level of 101.200. Once you can take out that level of 101.200, then the next level is around a level of 102. Above all, we will be expecting a major news this week, which is on Tuesday on JPY. We need to watch out if this news itself will change the direction of this our prediction. Because if we have to say technically speaking, CAD JPY should give us a bullish move, but this news itself might kind of like change the direction. So anyhow, we expect CAD JPY to continue to go bullish. Though this is not an high probability trade, we have about 50-50% chance. I'm going to say 50-50% probability. That is why I'm going to be putting a link to my Patreon channel, where we tend to put 70 to 90% chance of winning any trade. Trade that once we take it, the chances of us losing that trade will be very, very slim, or will be not existent. It will not exist. It will be very, very slim. So I'm going to put the link to it. So this is the trade we actually took for last week. One of those trades we took last week was SIT Nasdaq 100 for February 24th. We can see JPY New Zealand dollar, we can see gold. Basically, all these trades took actually hit our targets. I'm also going to put a link to the trade you actually took. You will see it in the comment section. You see February 20 to 24. You can actually watch on this trade. So Nasdaq 100, we actually took it 2 times last week. And the first one was, on Monday and Tuesday. You can see February 20 and 21. We actually got to the targets. We profited from it. We also took second trade on Friday. You can see we profited from it. Now, crude oil also we got profited from it. If you take a look at USD Chinese yuan, we actually grabbed about 600 pips from this alone. We actually grabbed 600 pips. Gold gave us about 300 pips. GBP New Zealand dollar also gave us 270 pips. So basically, 85 to 90% of the trade we took was actually profitable. So this week, I've actually put out a trade we'll be looking out for tomorrow. One of those trade is CAD Swiss franc. The other one, I've actually put out a trade I will be looking out for trade for the week. And I can assure you that we will be grabbing about 600 to 700 pips trading this alone. This trade for the week will grab about 600 to 700. So once you sign up, you'll become one of our subscribers, and be able to get access to our trade